my name is Gabriella and welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down, and subscribe, guys. So today we're going to be doing my updated curly hair routine, guys, because I know this is something that you guys have been asking me. So I'm going to give you guys all the deets and everything that I used. So just keep watching. Jumping straight into voiceover, we're taking off our microfiber towel that I purchased off Amazon, something that you guys should invest in. Today we're going to be using a Frida Brush curly hair brush, guys, which is bomb, and we're going to be using our Dippity Doo curly hair cream, guys, that I purchased at Marshall's, but you can also find this at Amazon. And the other product that we're using is from the same line, Dippity Doo, but it's the curl defining mousse, guys. It is bomb diggity bomb. Go grab it right now. If not, order it on Amazon. It'll get to you in 2 days. But anyways, we're detangling our hair and we're going to speed it up a little bit because it takes a little bit of time, guys. And let me tell you something about this brush. It does not take out so much hair, and which is so perfect because I noticed from a lot of different hair products with using another brush like the diamond brush, my hair, I'll have like a fist full of hair, and you guys are just going to see how much hair literally comes out when I finish detangling. It's incredible. Here's what you need to make sure that you're detangled every section of your hair, even the back. And this is where I'm telling you guys, look how much hair I lost, like nothing. So let's go ahead and part our hair so we can start adding our hair cream and start making our hair looking bomb. The way that I like to section my hair is to make sure that I have it tied up on the top so no hair starts slipping out. I like to make sure that I section from my ears down just to do the first part, guys. I don't like to like just apply all my hair cream just to like a big section because I feel like it doesn't get all the moisture in my hair. And look how beautiful this cream is. It's like a light clear white, guys, and my hair, it just smells so amazing. Like, you guys definitely have to go look into this. And when I'm applying my hair cream, I also like to use the same brush that I use because, guys, it creates a really pretty curl definition. And since the bristles of the brush are so thin, it creates more curls into my hair. You guys should look into this brush as well, and you're going to notice how much your hair is not going to fall when using it. And when I am brushing my hair, especially after I create it with the cream, I like to brush my hair upwards and then I scrunch. And I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Now we're going to grab more hair from the top, guys, just so we can make sure that we're adding, and we're moving a little quickly because we got to make sure that our hair is, doesn't get super dry, because if not, we need to apply water. So that's why we're moving a little quickly, just to make sure that we get this done in a timely manner. It's definitely time for me to invest into some hair clips because I feel like it takes me more time tying up my hair than just, you know, clipping and putting it back on. But honestly, guys, clips never last in this house. It disappears within like a week of me purchasing. It's ridiculous. So I'm like debating if I should buy it more or not. But anyways, we're doing the same thing. We're gonna comb out with our hair cream and also brushing it out with our Frida brush, guys. This brush is so good. I love it. I can't stop saying how much I love it. I just love it. I use it on my kids. Everyone uses it here because it's that good, and they don't cry. That's another thing. It does not tuggle on the hair. And we're gonna keep scrunching, and we're gonna do the other side that we need to do, so our hair can look even better. Just keep brushing out the hair, guys, just to make sure there's no more knots when applying your hair cream. And what I like to do is like part it out in twos and then brush it out again, and then making sure I'm doing it upwards so I'm creating here volume, because tell me who doesn't love volume. I sure do. Now we're gonna go in with our Dippity Doo mousse, guys, just to the half portion of our hair to make sure that every section of our hair grabs it. And I want you guys to listen to this. If your hair does not sound like this, what means you need to go out and apply more water. If you don't, your hair is not gonna come out as you want. It's not gonna look juicy, curly, moisturized, and that's what we want. trust me, I'm talking about from experience, learning the hard way, because I would always wonder, why does all these girls' hair look so nice? And it's because we got to make sure that your hair at all time is soaked and wet. Here we are applying more curl cream to the top of a section of our hair. And guys, when you're doing your sections, keep in mind that you do it in smaller sections just so that you create more curls in your hair, and so your hair can look poofier. And keep reminding yourself that you need to go and brush up and not down so you can create that volume that you need. So a new thing that I like to do is where the section of my hairs that are not the most curliest, I like to curl it just like this. You basically just grab your 2 fingers and roll it up. I'll show you guys more in the front section of my hair, so just stay tuned for that. Make sure even after you already untangle your hair, you keep untangling, because just when your hair sits there, it gets more tangled and tangled. So that's why I keep doing so. And the scrunching, guys, you're gonna do it throughout your whole entire head, the whole entire time. So now getting into the front section of the hair, guys, I like to part it right in the middle, and I just like to use my fingers, nothing crazy. But look, you can tell here that my hair is a little bit dry, but it still has moisture, and that's why I apply more hair cream, because I like to have more definition in the front section. So here we go. And don't forget the scrunch. So here you go with the finger coiling all the way to the top, and look how pretty the curls get. You'll see this one as well. I don't do this throughout my whole entire hair. I just do it in the front part just to create more volume. I also learned this from another influencer. Her name is actually Gabriella, guys. She is so beautiful. Check her out. I'm gonna leave her Instagram down below. And guys, just do what makes you happy. And if it's to add more curls for more definition, that's exactly what you do. I've been obsessed with doing my hair. I love how quickly my hair has grown. And honestly, finding the right products and the right tools to do it has made my life so much easier, guys. I really suggest you guys really invest in yourself, especially in your hair products, guys. And especially if you're in your curly hair journey, this is stuff that I recommend that you get. And it's something that makes your life so much easier, and it's not expensive at all. I think with everything, the mousse was $6.99, and the curly cream was also $6.99. So check them out, guys. I really think you guys will love the product. It has no paraben, no sulfate or silicone, and that's something that us curly girls look for. So look into it. Now we're finger coiling on this side as well, guys. When we did go ahead and diffuse our hair, it's gonna look so good and fire. Now we're gonna add our mousse onto this side of the hair, and here am I again applying so you guys can see it. And guys, it smells just as good as the curl cream. It's something that if you're gonna grab the curl cream, make sure you grab the mousse, because you'll hate yourself if you don't. It's a must-have. Now we're getting ready to diffuse our hair, and here we are. Diffusing my hair takes a long time, so here is just a short version. I like to flip my hair from side to side to create volume, and don't put your fingers through your hair, guys, because that creates frizz, but just keep switching your hair to make sure that every section of your hair, even your roots, are dry. So we're gonna go in with our hair pick, and we're picking it out to create more volume. Our curls do not get breaking apart, and they look fire, because that's what we want. We want juicy, fire, volume curls, and that's what we're gonna get, and that's exactly why we're here. I don't have a specific time that I leave the blow dryer on my hair. I just know that I see how hot it is on a section. If I feel like it's too hot, and it's time to switch to the other side. So that's how I feel like you guys should also tie when you guys are diffusing your hair. It has been working for me, and I think it'll work for you as well. I'll be right back. Now we're done diffusing our hair, and now it's time to do our edges. And look guys how beautiful our curls look. Like, this is why I'm telling you guys, this is the edge brush that we'll be using. I purchased that one on Amazon, and this gel I purchased from Walmart. I think it was like $5.99 for a big bucket. And here we are breaking out the hairs that we need to start laying out. Guys, I feel like laying down your edges creates the whole entire look. Like, it's beautiful, especially if you're gonna do a part to the side, and that's most likely what we're doing here. But it's beautiful. It makes you look so sleek and sexy. And with the middle part of the bottom of the brush, you're going to create that line so that separates and gives it a cleaner look for our edges. And here's how it's looking so good, guys. Going on to the other side, we're gonna do the same exact thing, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I actually asked my daughter to grab me the Got To Be hairspray, guys, just so I can lay down my edges and they won't move anywhere. So here it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it just there. You can grab any hairspray or just use any strong gel, but the gel that I use is not that strong because I try to get gels that don't have as much alcohol so it doesn't dry out my hair. And I really don't like adding any type of gels into my hair, but just the front. So that's why I grabbed the hairspray. And it's a little stronger hold than most gels. Here we are checking out our hair to see how our curls are looking and if they're super dry, if they're not. I had to go back in and fix my edges because when I moved it, the hairspray didn't dry automatically, so I am just fixing it up so we can get to hair picking. We just need to make sure that our edges look so bomb. So guys, keep doing this until you feel like your edges look the way that you want it to look. It doesn't matter how long it takes you because the edges is something that's right in front of your face and that's the first thing people are gonna see. And you saw there that one of our curls were like super big. You can go ahead and also detangle. But now we're gonna go ahead and with our hair pick, and this is where we're gonna do it from the top and create and fluff it to the top, just so you see how much volume we're gonna get. And just keep fluffing. You can even use your fingers if you don't have a pick, but I recommend you grabbing a pick from the dollar store just for $1. Look how good our hair turned out, guys. It looks so good and juicy, and we're just applying some lipstick so we can look even better. And here we are, guys. Look how beautiful. Here's a closer look on how our curls look, guys. Literally no freeze at all, and our curls are juicy and fire. Like, hello. Like, you guys can't tell me you guys are not gonna try this. That's something you guys need to run, like not even walk, you guys need to run to the store and go grab these products. Guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos. Please let me know what you guys thought of this video in the comments box down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.